Introducing the NB NOIZZYBOX portable Bluetooth speaker. It features a classic retro design and is compact and portable. To function, the speaker requires one lithium-ion battery, which is included in the box. The built-in Bluetooth and full-range stereo speakers allows you to wirelessly stream music from devices like iPhones, Android smartphones, iPads, and tablets. You can connect external devices with the aux input jack, USB flash drive reader, and SD memory card reader. The speaker is equipped with a tuning LED indicator and rotary dial with an antenna to adjust signals. It is available in 3 color options: red, black, and brown. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.